Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn how to code with the help of Minecraft. It's arts of code. With the help of this, we will learn coding, and this time we are going to learn coding with the help of blocks. This is also known as Blockly. Okay, let's take a start how to access this hours of code. So first of all, I'm going to take a start from a new tab. Just click on this tab and type here code.org. Here's the website. Using this code.org, you are able to access Minecraft game, and it will help you to improve your programming skills. And after that, you need to click on sign in. Signing in is very important because when you click on sign in, then you can save your progress, your game progress as well. Here's the Minecraft, AI for Ocean, dance party, and all that. So how you will log in? You can log in via these several ways. First, you can log in, continue with the Google account. If you are having the Facebook account, then you click here and then log in with Facebook account. Continue with the Microsoft account. I have already created Microsoft account with the help of Gmail ID. The video that how to create a Microsoft account with the help of Gmail or Google Mail. I will share the video link in the description. In the description area, you can watch that later on. So just click on continue with Microsoft account, and now here you have to pick your account. I have already signed in with my this account, so I'm going to click on this one. And here is the dashboard. Okay, from here you can go where, scroll down. Here you can click on find a course. After scrolling down, click on find a course and then click on Minecraft. Now today we are going to complete this level, Minecraft Voyage Aquatic level, explore and build underwater world with the help of code. So let's take a start. Click on start. Here is your first level. You need to watch this video, and after watching this video you can move to the next level.
Hello, you're just in time. Welcome to Voyage Aquatic. I'm about to embark on a quest to find hidden treasure, and I'm very glad to have your help. Who knows what we'll encounter along the way.
You can even download this video so that you can watch later on. Now I'm going to click on cross. Now here, first of all, we need to select a character. I'm going to select choose your character. I'm going to click on Alex. Okay, these are the instructions over here. This is the main interface of Minecraft. Okay, you need supplies for the voyage ahead. Collect the board from the chest. From this chest we need to collect this board. Click on OK. So here is your Minecraft environment. When you click on run, you will see your code over here, actually live. Okay, here in workspace you can drag and drop different blocks from here, and then you can make, if you want to remove a block, you can remove the block just like that, drag and drop over here. These blocks you can using these blocks you can write your code in this workspace area. And here is the home. This shows that in workspace 1 by 3 shows that how many blocks you can use over here. So let's take a start. So first of all, click on run. Nothing happened. Okay, click on restart the environment. Okay, now I'm going to move over here because instruction is written over here, so I have to move how many steps. First step. So let me check this, that it's working or not. Yes, it will move forward one step, then again reset. Now I have to add one more block, 2 blocks, move forward 2 steps. First level complete successfully. Okay, after completing all these levels, at the end you will get a certificate. So make sure you will complete all these levels, and after signing in you can save your progress as well. Now click on, you can replay this, or you can click on continue to the next level. Did you like this puzzle? Yes. Okay, click on show code. Here is the code written over here. I'm going back, click on continue, moving towards the next level. Okay, now in this level, what's our goals? In instruction, boats are much easier than swimming in open water. Head to the end of the dock to hop aboard. So we have to go over here, and here is our way. We will move forward and then turn this side. This is my right side, and then we will reach over here. So let's take a start, move forward. First step done. Okay, now till here my code is running successfully. I have to use only 5 blocks. Maximum I can use 5 blocks. Here's the limit. Okay, now again reset the environment. Now I have to, after moving forward, I need to turn right. So let's see, it's working. Yes, now I have to move forward. Let me add 2 more blocks. So start. First move forward, turn right, then move 2 steps. Block completed, level complete successfully. Now move towards the next level. Okay, down this one, grab the oar and pilot your boat across the open sea to catch the cod. This one is cod is over here, and now I'm in this ship, so I have to reach over here. So how many steps I have to take? So let me add, it's written here you can use 8 blocks. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'm going to use 4 blocks to check my code. Now click on run. 2 3 4, done. Okay, now I have to add 2 more steps. 6. Okay, now let's try this again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, still one is missing, so drag and drop one more move forward block. Now it completed over in workspace. Now click on reset environment, run. That's how you can complete this level. Now click on continue. Here you can watch this video. Now we are going to use what, repeat until block. So I'm going to cross this. You can watch this video later on. Now I'm going to drag and drop over here. So in this level, what's the instruction written over here? Let's feed the cod to the dolphin. Use the repeat until block to get across the ocean faster. So let's do it. Okay, we have to use which block? Repeat until block. We cannot use this like that. You can complete this level by moving forward just like that, but it will not fulfill our objectives. Can you see over in the workspace there are only 3 blocks written here? So I have added how many blocks? 6 blocks. So I'm going to remove all these blocks over here. So I have to use what? Repeat until goal. Keep repeating whatever is inside this block until you will reach the goal. Goal is over here. So move forward until goal. So click on run. It will keep moving forward until you will reach the goal. Done. Level 4 complete successfully. Interesting enough. So let's move towards the next level. Level number 5. Okay, I'm going to drag and drop all these blocks over here. Okay, now there is a Nautilus shell hidden somewhere. Explore the shipwreck to reach the chest. So where is the chest? Here is the chest. Chest is over here, and you are standing over here. You can check yourself that its location, how to use this, or how to turn your character. So first of all, move forward. Yes, move forward. Okay, down. I'm going to remove this block, and now I want to check its direction. Reset. Yes, now I have to move this word. So first step is to turn right, and then do what? Move forward. How many steps? Move forward how many steps? 1 2, and then turn right, and then you will reach over here. So let's take a start. Repeat until goal. Do what? First it will move forward. I have used 3 blocks. Turn right. Sorry, you can even click here. You can change its direction, left, right. So first I have to move towards the right side, reset the environment, and then move forward how many steps? 1. You can check this. turn right, forward, stuck. Now turn right again, forward, turn right again, forward, turn right again, forward. Now I have to reset the environment, so I have to add one more step. After turning right, it has to take how many steps? 2 steps forward. So reset, 1 2, turn right, 1 2, done. Level complete. That's how you can use effectively repeat until block. It's a loop, repetition. Now click on next. Level number 6. Now it's bit challenging. Okay, looks freezing out there. Catch a salmon on your way to the underwater ruins. Okay, now I have to use how many blocks? In workspace written here you can use only 10 blocks. Okay, when click on run, when run, it will run the script over here. So I have to use this block, repeat 3 times, do repeat until goal, and all these blocks. Okay, first I want to move forward how many steps? Let's see, let's say 3 steps forward, repeat 3 steps, move forward. Let's try this. 2 3, done. Now it will stuck over here, then I have to take turn right. So turn right, I will use this block. After this, outside the loop of, outside this repeat loop, outside the body of this repeat loop, I will just drop it over here. Now recheck, turn right, done. Now I have to move forward. Okay, now move forward, move forward how many steps? Let's say I'm going to write here 7 steps. Do what? Forward, reset, 1 2 3, turn right, then move 7 steps. It's stuck over here, so I have to write over here 6 steps. Reset, 1 2 3, turn right. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I have to go upward over here, so I have to use what? Which block? Turn right. No, it's not right, it's upside. Turn right is over here, so we can change this by clicking here, turn left, and then do what? Repeat until goal. I can use this one, repeat 3 times and move forward. Done. Turn left. Excellent. That's how you can complete this level. Now move